Today, we're pitting two of Michelin's finest against each other, the Pilot Sport All Season 4 and the X-Ice Snow. Let's zoom into which tire might just be the right choice for your vehicle. First off, the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4, a versatile all-season tire launched in 2020, designed for high-performance handling and light winter conditions. On the flip side, the Michelin X-Ice Snow, also introduced in 2020, targets extreme winter conditions, offering superb traction on ice and snow. When it comes to wet roads, the All Season 4 shows its prowess, stopping 49 feet shorter than the X-Ice Snow. This significant advantage in wet braking highlights its superior performance in rainy conditions, where grip and stopping power are crucial. Transitioning to winter scenarios, the X-Ice Snow takes center stage. Tested in the harsh winters of Michigan, it stops 10 feet sooner in the snow than the All Season 4 and provides exceptional traction, crucial for navigating through snowy landscapes safely. Moving on to dry pavements, the All Season 4 steps up again, offering shorter braking distances and reliable handling. It's tailored not just for varied weather but also for everyday dry conditions, making it a solid choice for drivers who face a range of weather scenarios throughout the year. Considering efficiency, the X-Ice Snow surprises with a lower rolling resistance, which translates to slightly better fuel efficiency and a lighter impact on the environment compared to the All Season 4. This could be a deciding factor for eco-conscious drivers. So, what's the verdict? If you're tackling severe winters and icy roads, Michelin's X-Ice Snow is tailored for you. But if your climate varies and you need a tire that can handle wet, dry, and mildly snowy conditions, the Pilot Sport All Season 4 is your all-rounder. Both options reflect Michelin's commitment to safety, performance, and innovation. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.